conversation with a pioneer of technical analysis in India, only on ET Now.
Hi, you're watching the FNO show right here on ET Now, and joining us today, C.K.NARAYAN. What are the individual stock-specific strategies that you should adopt in a market like this? CK, you talked about a buy strategy on JP Associates. Anything on the short side?
Well, on the short side, I would, approach it a little bit with some skepticism right now, because I think the index has just set off and maybe we'll have some sort of ranged action. So I don't really want to go into a, specific exercise on the stock side. I would, for the moment, just venture out with the loan trade which I had mentioned, which was on JPA, and if the weakness in the index persists, maybe have some shorts maybe tomorrow.
Okay, still a little circumspect in terms of whether or not to associate or rather initiate a short at this point in time. Sandeep, come to you. I want to get you in not on L&T but the other cap good major. That's BHCL, where the open interest addition has been a good 17%.
See, if you look at the chart of BHCL, it has not really been really inspiring any confidence. I think every effort that the share has made to go up has really met with fresh amount of selling, and I think the buying is also fairly feeble right now. So the value buyers are not really stepping up to the plate to exercise their arms in the case of BHEL, and they seem to be more willing to actually pick L&T or some other names. So I think I would wait for a clear bearish signal in the market and maybe use let's say this one as a vehicle to play the downside rather than the upside. So in BHEL, I'm clearly on the bearish side. I think it's been something which has been breaking supports rather than really making any efforts to try and overcome resistances. So that puts it in the sell list in my books.